I am happy that my CryptoQ media channel is back online. I would want to inform you all about two things that are happening right now. Listen up, because the news is happening right now. The SEC case is seeing a domino effect when someone attempts to make a 100% flood allegation about new developments. Guys, there are those who think XRP won't even be a part of the bull run. For the greater good of society, I vow to stop this nonsense and reveal the truth about the digital revolution. There have been a couple of comments that have asked, hey, could you investigate the connection between the Ripple case, SEC, and the current situation in California? It seems like fresh things are happening. I found that to be really intriguing. Some XRP army members are naturally worried with what they see as happening recently. Maybe you're familiar with these. And I'd want to get right in before we talk about what's to come, more especially, my forecasts based on the present data regarding the bull run's potential XRP price trajectory, the relative strengths of SEC and Ripple, and the haziness surrounding state-level XRP futures. The attorney confirms. Something local even went viral after you began it all today. Not only will I not do it, but I will also not bring his name up in an effort to make him feel good about it. There is some misinformation circulating, and while I do not intend to criticize anyone, I will say this. In the ongoing litigation where Platon asserts that the Cryptocurrency Corporation broke security laws, for instance, this story states that a U.S. District Court judge has given instructions on several motions, providing further clarity. Prior to the court's pre-trial meeting and jury selection the next day, on December 19, the XRP litigation parties are expected to engage in settlement talks. Tell me which of these two things is true about January 21, 2025. The outcome of Fred's reply is here. What an amazing man. He plays in a manner, he's like a community news reader. Thoroughly acquainted with the field. In light of the present situation, he practices law. An attorney named Fred Ree has called attention to the fact that XRP's categorization at the state level is uncertain. His point that the California judgment is based on state law and so has no bearing on the federally based SEC v. Ripple issue is well taken. In light of this, he stated, I may have been dozing off about the civil case in California and need to get up to speed on what's going on. Keep in mind that there is still litigation going on over whether XRP is considered a security under state law. That being said, he is stating something that has been said before. Keeping himself updated on what's happening in California is all that's required of him. Plus, there are fear, uncertainty, and doubt FUD influencers who are spreading the word like it's a new discovery. This doesn't amount to much on a state level when contrasted with issues at the federal level. When thinking about the connection between the federal government and the states, an umbrella is the only adequate metaphor. What are your thoughts on the matter? I understand that federal law does not necessarily apply to every state's legislation. Which level of government do you think is more important, the federal or the state? The current state of affairs regarding XRP's classification as a security is that it is not. At this very moment, our investigation into the Bitwise case led us to file charges against the SEC. Why? Since the SEC is trying to break the law by trying to sell XRP as a security, bits have been unfairly treated by them. At this point in time, the entire industry is against Gary Gensler and the SEC, therefore we shouldn't be propagating more misinformation. The crypto business will finally be free of Harry Gensler's terror rule once the next administration takes office in a few weeks, whether it's Trump or Harris. We need to keep our optimism because this is finally going away, according to Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse. In this age of rapid technological advancement, we must speak frankly about what is truly taking place. People are also promoting the myth that XRP will not experience a bull run or make any gains during the next bull run. If that's so, why was it not happening earlier? From 2020 to 2021, XRP's value skyrocketed. In just a few short months, I went from 25 cents to 75. That, however, was prior to our realization that XRP's non-security status must be made public knowledge. Appreciating my video is a privilege. It means a lot to me that you've subscribed and watched my channel. Later on, I shall see you.